Are you unknowingly making critical retirement mistakes that could cost you tens of thousands of pounds or even jeopardize your financial independence entirely? Today, we're unpacking 5 big mistakes retirees regularly make, drawing on my real-world experience from over 25 years of financial planning. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll set yourself up for a retirement that is both comfortable and stress-free. Hi, and welcome back to Meaningful Money. My name is Pete Matthew. I'm a chartered financial planner here in the UK, and today's video is brought to you by my latest book, The Meaningful Money Retirement Guide. More details coming up a little bit later. Now, let's get straight into mistake number 1, which is drawing your retirement money the wrong way. When retirement finally arrives, many people understandably feel eager to start enjoying their money, but withdrawing funds from their assets incorrectly can cause serious problems. It's not just pensions either. Most retirees have a variety of savings and investments, including ISAs, lifetime ISAs, general investment accounts, even property maybe. Tapping these assets incorrectly could create unnecessary tax bills and erode your long-term financial security. For instance, rushing to take large sums from a pension could push you into a higher income tax bracket, dramatically increasing your tax burden. Conversely, draining your ISA too early removes a potentially vital source of tax-free income later on. Taking your pension tax-free lump sum just because you can might mean you end up paying more income tax than you need to throughout the rest of your life. What's the fix? Well, create a clear strategic withdrawal plan. Balance withdrawals across different tax wrappers and consider timing them carefully to maximize your allowances. For example, draw off your ISA for regular tax-free income and withdrawals, and carefully plan pension drawdowns to stay within lower tax bands. I've seen clients save thousands of pounds every year just by properly structuring their withdrawals. It takes careful planning, but it's worth every minute and every penny of doing so. Mistake number 2 is overlooking inheritance tax planning. Inheritance tax is something that nobody really enjoys thinking about because it requires you to think about being dead. But ignoring it can severely limit the legacy you leave behind, potentially reducing your family's inheritance by tens or even hundreds of thousands of pounds. To prevent this, we need to plan, and plan earlier than we think. We need to use all the available exemptions, lifetime gifts, regular gifts, and you need to make sure that your will reflects your current wishes. You do have an up-to-date will, don't you? You should always prioritize your needs today over providing a legacy for your family after you've died, but you can do both. Just take some planning and organization, but don't leave it to chance. Number 3, an all too common mistake I see all the time is people taking too little investment risk when they get to retirement. Now, I do understand why. The thinking is that now you're not working. If the market tanks and your investments fall, you're not earning anymore to be able to replace that money. Those losses could impact how much you can spend for the rest of your retirement, and it may even mean that you run out of money altogether. But we must understand that market falls are normal, and all we have to do is ride them out. And over time, our investments will grow. Remember, a loss isn't a loss until you sell the asset and turn it back into cash that you can spend. And this actually speaks to mistake number 1 that we talked about earlier, drawing off your assets the wrong way or at the wrong time. Retired folks often think they don't have time. But in fact, for most of us, retirement is at least 2 decades, if not 3 or more. And over those timescales, inflation can badly erode the buying power of your money. So you want to put it to work. You want to invest it to beat inflation over the longer term. Hi, very quick and unprofessionally lit interlude to say that we have put together a little 10-question scorecard so that you can check your retirement readiness based on the 5 mistakes in this video. So there's a link in the description below. Check it out and let's see how ready you are for retirement. That's 3 common retirement mistakes, 2 more important ones ahead. But if you're getting value from this, you know what to do. Hit the like button, consider subscribing because it helps the channel enormously and ensures that you'll keep seeing the videos we make. Thank you. Mistake number 4 is ignoring your state pension. Too many people just underestimate the state pension, mistakenly believing that it won't really make much of a difference to their retirement. Some people even think that the state pension won't be there at all by the time they retire. Now, I can't guarantee that, of course, but consider this. The full state pension currently provides just under £12,000 annually. Over a 25-year retirement, and assuming 3% growth in that income, that's £430,000 of guaranteed income coming your way. Ignoring your state pension could mean inadvertently losing thousands if you miss opportunities to fill gaps in your national insurance contributions, for example. A client I helped recently filled a small gap in their state pension by paying a voluntary contribution of about £2,500 one-off, and that secured an additional £25,000 in pension income over their expected lifetime. £2,500 for £25,000 return. That's not bad. So regularly check your state pension forecast, understand your entitlements, and address any gaps proactively. This is straightforward financial planning that could dramatically improve your retirement. And finally, one of the most common and most dangerous retirement mistakes is underestimating your longevity. Life expectancy has increased significantly, yet many retirees plan their finances as if their money only needs to last a decade or two. Imagine running out of money in your late 70s or early 80s, a time when you most need to feel secure. The emotional and financial stress this causes can severely impact quality of life and your family's peace of mind. Instead, always plan for a longer than expected retirement and review your plans throughout your retirement. At my financial planning practice, we always plan to age 100, but we update it every year because we don't want to plan for too long and then leave too much money on the table. We build plans that include guaranteed income streams for life, such as annuities, and withdrawal strategies, such as a cash flow ladder, to give our clients resources the best possible chance of comfortably lasting throughout their retirement. Proper longevity planning allows you to fully enjoy your retirement, confident that you won't outlive your money. Now, if you found these insights useful, my latest book, The Meaningful Money Retirement Guide, will help you take your planning even further. It covers everything that we've discussed today and much more, providing clear, actionable steps to help you retire confidently, even without hiring a financial advisor. From pension strategies to inheritance tax planning, tax efficiency and legacy building, it's the complete guide to securing your retirement. So check it out via the link in the description below. So there we have it, 5 big retirement mistakes. Avoiding these pitfalls can genuinely transform your retirement from stressful uncertainty into confident enjoyment. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more crucial financial advice. Thanks so much for watching, and while you're waiting for the next one, maybe check this one out. It's pretty good. I'll see you soon.